what's up guys? This is Prabhakar from Fly. I hope you guys are doing great. I'm back with another video. So today in this video we are going to take a look at this Realme Buds 2, which is a wireless earphone by Realme, which I bought from Amazon for rupees 1800, and I'm using this earphone from last 1.5 months. So I'm going to share my thoughts and review about it. I'm very excited. Are you? So without any further ado, let's get started.
So let's divide the video into different categories: design and build, sound and feature. So let's begin with the design and build. Design of the Realme Buds is fabulous, and it is minimalistic, unique and stand out from the crowd. If you compare the other wireless earphones that are available in the market with the same price range with the Realme Buds in terms of design, then they are bulkier and heavy. When you wear the Realme Buds on your neck, I'm sure it's gonna separate you from the crowd. Let's talk about the build. The build quality is tremendous and it's like unbreakable. The whole earphone build is made up of combination of plastic, metal and rubber. The control part where the volume control and pause buttons are located, that part is made up of metal. The other side where there is a Realme branding, that part is made up of plastic. The upper portion is made up of rubber and very flexible. The quality of the wire is superb, seems to be A+ in build. So now let's talk about the sound and feature of the Realme Buds. As I'm using this earphone from last 1.5 months, the sound is flawlessly amazing and worth for the price point. And it has the 11.2mm bass driver, which gives you the best sound experience as compared to other wireless earphone which is available for the same price point. Whenever you pop the buds into your ear, you don't hear any external noise. It just fit proper into your ear, because of which you are able to enjoy and hear the music clearly. And while handling calls with the Realme Buds, it's great. You're able to hear the front person what is speaking clearly. So now let's talk about the Realme Buds feature. Let's see how to pair this earphone with any phone. So to pair, first you need to unclip the earphone and turn on Bluetooth on the phone and search for the name called Realme Buds Wireless. Once you see that, just tap and pair the earphone. Once paired, now you can enjoy music flawlessly. I like the connecting speed, like once you pair the earphone with your phone, next time if you want to connect, just separate the buds and it will automatically gets connected, and the pairing speed is tremendous and amazing. This earphone packs a Bluetooth 5.0 which helps to reduce latency while playing games or watching any content online. And the another great thing about this earphone is it has the IPX4 certified, which means it's a waterproof and sweat proof, because of which you can use your earphone without any worries of dropping them in water or wearing it while jogging or gymming. If we talk about the battery life, Realme claims that one full charge will give you 12 hours of battery backup. It's insane, right? Isn't it? And another interesting thing that Realme says that with the 10 minutes of charge will give you 100 minutes of listening time. That comes to across 1.5 nights. So that was all about the Realme Buds. I hope you guys enjoy.
Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you think this video was helpful to you. If not, you know what to do. And whoever subscribe to my YouTube channel, please hit that subscribe button down below and the bell icon too, so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video on my channel. Till next time, this is Prabhakar from Fly signing off. You guys have a great day.